Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful soup. It is called yam soup. If this video is interesting to you, keep watching. So I'm starting up with freshly neat washed meat. I just add it in the pot and then go in with my ingredients. Remember, you can use ingredients of your choice. I'm adding onions and then I'm just going to give it a little bit of stir and then cover it to steam. This soup, we used to cook it back then when I was still living with my parents. Whenever we don't have money, we normally use the dry fish we have at home to prepare it, and it tastes delicious. So I said I wanted to do another version of it by using meat and big catfish, now. So guys, I just stir it and then I added water on it and then I cover it to cook until it is soft. Once the meat is cooked to my taste, I'll just give it a little bit of stir. On this recipe, I'm not going to dry the meat. As you all know, I love dry meat a lot. So I was rushing somewhere. I don't have time to dry the meat on this one. So guys, I added yam, pounded yam, and then I go in with my crayfish, pepper, and then this is our local spice. I'm going to put the pictures of this on the screen. Most of you know it. I just don't know how to pronounce the name. And I'm going to leave the name of it in the description box of this video. Then I added oil, stir it a little bit, and then cover it to steam until the soup become thicker. Back then when I was still with my parents, we do cook this soup. Whenever we don't have money to go to the market to buy meat, to buy fresh fish, we just manage the ingredients we have at home to come up with something. So guys, at this point, you can see that the soup is very thick. I'm just going to take off the leftover yam out of the soup, and then I'm going to add my dry fish. Oh, look at the soup now. This version is very nice because I use meat. When my mother used to prepare it, she doesn't add meat. So I go in with my smoked dry fish. I dry this fish myself. I just add all the fish and then give it stir, cover it to steam for another 5 minutes. And then that is it. Your yam soup is ready. Look how beautiful it is. So I'll just cover the soup and allow it to steam for another 5 minutes. And then that is it. Your yam soup is ready. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my God. Without you tasting it, you can even tell that this soup tastes delicious. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comment section, okay? See you all on my next one. Look at the soup now. Check it out. Check it out with my yam fufu. This is so beautiful. See you guys on my next one.